Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey. Today we venture into a realm where innovation knows no bounds. A world where technology and strategy converge to redefine the battlefield. The world of cutting-edge military technology. From autonomous drones to AI-driven defense systems, the future of warfare is being shaped by unprecedented advancements. Across the globe, brilliant minds are forging the tools of a new era of warfare. Engineers and scientists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From the depths of the ocean to the vastness of space, every domain is being transformed by these technological marvels. The pursuit of technological dominance drives us forward, ensuring that we stay ahead in an ever-evolving landscape. Join us as we uncover the most advanced innovations shaping the future of warfare. Stay tuned to witness the dawn of a new age in defense technology. In modern warfare, speed and precision reign supreme. The ability to strike swiftly and accurately can mean the difference between victory and defeat. Modern military forces are constantly evolving to meet these demands, integrating cutting-edge technology and innovative strategies. Hypersonic missiles capable of exceeding Mach 5 are rewriting the rules of engagement. These advanced weapons travel at unprecedented speeds, making them nearly impossible to intercept with current defense systems. These projectiles render traditional defense systems obsolete. As they bypass conventional radar and missile shields, they pose a significant challenge to national security. Guided by advanced navigation, they strike with pinpoint accuracy. This precision ensures that targets are hit with minimal collateral damage, making them a preferred choice in modern combat scenarios. The advent of hypersonic technology has prompted a new arms race. Nations around the world are investing heavily in research and development to either acquire or counteract these formidable weapons. How will defense strategies adapt? Military experts are now tasked with developing new tactics and technologies to defend against this emerging threat. One thing is clear: hypersonic missiles are here to stay. Their impact on global military strategy is profound, and their presence will shape the future of warfare for years to come. In war, the ability to remain unseen can be decisive. Stealth technology embodies this principle. Engineers strive to render military vehicles invisible to radar. By shaping exteriors and using specialized materials, they reduce radar detectability. This invisibility cloak allows operations with reduced detection risk. Stealth technology has revolutionized warfare, providing a crucial tactical advantage. The skies above battlefields are buzzing with autonomous drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles guided by AI are changing warfare. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, they survey landscapes and track enemy movements. Autonomous drones offer powerful tools for intelligence gathering and combat. Their rise raises ethical and strategic questions about unintended consequences. Autonomous drones represent a significant leap in military technology. We stand on the cusp of a new era defined by harnessing energy. The potential of light as a weapon is no longer science fiction but a reality that is rapidly unfolding before our eyes. Directed energy weapons using lasers and microwaves represent a paradigm shift. These technologies offer unprecedented precision and speed, making traditional ballistic weapons seem almost obsolete. Imagine a weapon that can incapacitate drones or disable systems with light speed. This is not just a futuristic concept but a tangible technology being tested and refined today. Lasers can target and disable enemy sensors or destroy threats with pinpoint accuracy. The ability to neutralize threats at the speed of light offers a strategic advantage that is hard to counter. Though in early stages, the impact of these technologies is undeniable. The development and deployment of directed energy weapons are accelerating, promising a new era of military capability. Directed energy weapons are poised to shape the future of warfare. As research and development continue, these advanced systems will redefine how conflicts are fought and won, making the battlefield of tomorrow a place where light itself becomes a weapon. The battleground has expanded into the digital domain. Cyber warfare disrupts, disables, or destroys enemy computer systems. Skilled hackers infiltrate networks, disrupt communications, and sow chaos. Cyber tools can steal information or disable infrastructure, crippling enemies. The rise of cyber warfare blurs the lines between peace and war. Nations invest heavily in cyber weapons, demanding constant vigilance and adaptation. As we've explored cutting-edge military technology, one thing is clear. The future of warfare is evolving rapidly. From hypersonic missiles to cyber tools, these innovations reshape conflict. While offering enhanced security, they raise ethical and strategic questions. It's our responsibility to develop and deploy these technologies responsibly. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into technology and defense.